So you want to put a texture on one of your objects. In this video, we will go over the basics on how to apply a texture to your object. If you haven't already enabled the Node Wrangler add-on, go to the Preferences menu by selecting Edit and then Preferences. Now select the Add-on tab, and in the search bar, search Node Wrangler and tick the box. Back in the project, select the object you want to add the texture to and go into the shading mode. If you don't have any textures, I've linked 2 different sites to download different textures from. Now if the object doesn't already have a material added to it, press New. Now select the Principled BSDF and press Ctrl-Shift-T at the same time. Now select all of the textures you want to add to the object and press Principled Texture Setup. As you can see, the textures are automatically added to the object. You can also change the scale of the texture and the rotation by going into the mapping node and changing the different fields.